Hi, in the last session, we talked about VHDL packages. We learned how to create your own custom VHDL packages and how to declare it in a separate design unit. We also discussed why you should use packages to share declaration across multiple design units. Now let's talk about VHDL libraries. So let's start. So libraries in VHDL act as an essential container where your compiled design units are stored that helps to organize and manage different components of your VHDL designs. When a design unit or module is compiled, the compiler translates the VHDL code into an intermediate form and store it in the form of library. This intermediate form is essential for the simulation and synthesis processes. By default, the compiler stores all of these intermediate files in the current working library, which is automatic process. This streamlines the workflow by keeping all the necessary files in one accessible location. Most simulators and synthesis tools automatically create this library for you. This automation ensures that your design process is smooth and all the required files are properly managed without a manual setup. This library has its own name, and you can use it by using the keyword work, which refers to the current working library, and it stores all the design units. You can just think of work keyword as a reference point to the current working library in simple. Now, important thing is that when you need a package or feature from any library which is other than your current working library, then you must first declare the library in your VHDL code. This step is crucial for accessing the additional resources. Each library has a unique name. Remember, when you declare a library, you must refer to its name, not its a file name or its location in your file system. Here is a simple example of how to use packages from IEEE library in VHDL. These are very generic libraries and packages which are widely used in most of your VHDL designs. These are written like this: library IEEE semicolon use IEEE dot std underscore logic underscore 1164 dot all semicolon use IEEE dot numeric underscore std dot all semicolon. The first statement makes the IEEE library available to your design and it allows you to access its resources. The second statement makes all the definitions from the std underscore logic underscore 1164 package in the IEEE library, which you can use in your VHDL designs now, like standard logical operators, std data types, etc. The third statement makes all the definitions from numeric underscore std package, and its elements are now available to use in your designs, which provide access to a variety of numerical operations. As you can see, using libraries in VHDL is a two-step process. First, you must declare the library. Second, you specify the individual resources or packages that you need to use from that library. Okay, so that's it for today. Here is a quick recall. We learned the concept of packages and libraries in VHDL. We discussed major libraries and learned that compiled design units are stored in the current working library in an intermediate form. We learned that the keyword work can be used to refer to the current working library, where our compiled designs are stored by default. We also learned that synthesis and simulation tools automatically create the working libraries for us. We found out that if we need to use a library other than the current working library, we must declare it in our VHDL codes. Finally, we looked at a simple example demonstrating how to declare and use a package from a library. In the next session, we will be discussing parameterized components. So stay tuned for the updates. If you did not subscribe till now, then please do subscribe to learn and grow community for regular updates. If this video is informative, then please like this video, comment on video, and don't forget to share. Thank you for watching.